Welcome to Section 4 of Corporate Governance Essentials, From Theory to Practice. In this section, we'll dive into the legal foundations of corporate governance, how laws shape transparency, accountability, and stakeholder protection. Overview. Laws and regulations set the standards for corporate behavior, ensuring companies operate ethically and reducing fraud. Key regulations like the Sarbanes-Oxley Act and the Cadbury Report guide governance practices. Global standards, such as the OECD principles, create a common framework for companies everywhere. Emerging markets, though facing challenges, are making significant progress in improving their governance. Role of law in corporate governance. Legal frameworks are essential for ensuring companies act responsibly. They enforce accountability, protect stakeholders, and ensure transparency. Laws also create guidelines for directors and managers to act in the best interests of the company and its stakeholders, increasing investor trust and reducing risk. Key regulations and codes. Regulations like Sarbanes-Oxley and the Cadbury Report set clear standards for financial reporting, board composition, and executive accountability. Other frameworks, such as the Dodd-Frank Act and King Report, also shape corporate governance by promoting transparency and sustainability. International standards, like the OECD principles and Basel Accords, set global benchmarks for ethical governance. These guidelines ensure companies worldwide operate transparently, fostering trust and sustainable practices. Corporate governance in emerging markets. Emerging markets face unique challenges, such as regulatory gaps and cultural differences. But countries like India, China, and Brazil are making strides through reforms to improve governance. International organizations support these efforts, helping to enhance governance frameworks and foster economic growth. Summary. In this section, we've seen how legal frameworks and key regulations establish the foundation for good corporate governance. These rules help build trust, promote accountability, and protect stakeholders, while international standards ensure ethical practices across borders. In emerging markets, reforms are driving progress, making governance stronger worldwide. Stay tuned for more insights.